A big thank you to Bose for sponsoring this video. So welcome to my new office, my kitchen, my kids' school, and my new editing bay. This is the new reality. This is my new reality. And as everybody transitions to kind of work from home or gets used to the work from home thing, I'm finding myself spending much more time with technology because everything has to work in order for me to be able to work. You know, the usual list of stuff I've been using a ton. I've been using tablet and keyboard and some accessories. Phone and watch are things that have always been using and testing. But one piece of tech that has been used more than I expected are these guys. These are my Bose Headphones 700. So I loved the Bose QC35s. I loved them so much, actually I went and bought the QC35s too. So when the Bose Headphones 700 were announced, I was personally pretty pumped to try them out. I think they did a really good job of combination of audio fidelity, microphones, and noise canceling, kind of everything I need in addition to being really comfortable. So this is legit a product that I have had and used, and one that I can absolutely recommend to you guys. So the Bose Headphones 700 are available in 4 colors. You got black, silver, and a pretty limited edition baller looking soapstone and eclipse. So I've got the black and soapstone colors and I really like the way they look. All right, so I want to start with noise canceling, something that's super important. So there's a button on the left ear cup that lets you cycle through some kind of preset levels of noise canceling. So you've got 11 different levels of noise canceling and you can block out as much or as little of the world around you as you want. At around like 5 or 6, you start to kind of subtly block out stuff that's happening. Or you can take it up crazy to the max, which I love for airplanes and to get yourself some peace and quiet. In all honesty, they cancel out distractions for me and help me stay focused while I'm working. And I like that I can pick the level of noise canceling. And there are times when I want to kick this thing all the way up to 11 and block out the world and just focus on my work. And there are times when I need to work, but also pay attention to my family when I can still hear what's going on around me. And I've liked having that sort of variable levels of noise canceling to sort of suit what I'm doing at that moment. So the Bose Headphones 700 feature a pretty awesome 8 microphone setup that work to give you really good sounding calls. It's just gonna sound good for you and who's ever on the other end of it. So 6 of those microphones are actually working to cancel out noise before it ever reaches your ears. And then 2 of those 6 mics work double duty in conjunction with the remaining 2 mics to improve the sound of your voice. And to sort of illustrate kind of how good the mics are, if I take the headphones off, put them back on, the audio comes back and sounds crazy clear. All right, so they're headphones. Obviously, the audio quality is important, and they're Bose headphones. I mean, you know you're getting a certain level of quality, and for me, they haven't disappointed. Now, I initially planned on using these for a lot of music. Turns out, the sound quality on video calls is awesome, which is what I've been using it for quite a bit. But there's a lot of technology inside of here as well. So it includes what they're calling Signature Active EQ, which does an awesome job of kind of dynamically adjusting the EQ based on what I'm listening to. And on the rare occurrences, when I do get to kind of kick back, listen to music, it sounds awesome. So the Bose Headphones 700 have touch controls on the right ear cup, and I've used headphones in the past that have had touch controls, and I had issues with it. Bose did a really nice job with whatever magic they did with the touch controls here on the Bose Headphones 700. I didn't have any accidental touches, and when I wanted to adjust the volume, it did it very deliberately. So the hinge here is different. These don't fold up into a case like maybe you might be used to other headphones. They kind of, the ear cups will turn, but the hinge kind of seems to be a floating design. And it's been really comfortable. In addition to going up and down, it also adjusts the ear cups on your ear. Because, and I can, if you don't tell anybody, because this is what my hair currently looks like. Haven't had a haircut in the better part of 6 weeks. I'm wearing a hat a lot on my calls. So being able to be comfortable with a hat is important. And also, sometimes wearing glasses. So the combination of hat and glasses are not usually headphone friendly. No problem with these as well. So if you are virtual assistant inclined, this has your back with both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. So you can ask it questions, it'll tell you the weather, but also you can control your media using only your voice, which was pretty cool to have. If all of this sounds like something that you could use in your daily life and you want to check out or pick up a pair of the Bose Headphones 700, they are available now. We'll link to them down below, or go to bose.life/John Rettinger. Check them out. All right, so those are the Bose Headphones 700. My use case for them has changed drastically from what I thought they were going to be used for. Initially, they were just my replacement for my QC35-2s, and they've turned out to be on my head many hours a day during video calls. So a real versatile companion for work entertainment. I've enjoyed using them, and if you're in the market for a new pair of headphones that kind of do everything well, you won't be disappointed with the Bose Headphones 700.